This is another little game related to the rain. So I have some little cards here, and I wrote in the back, well, how we do it was just, we place them like that, face down, and my little boy gets to pick one, and he reads the instruction first. This is good to make sure he follows directions really well, and then he gets to read the sentence. For example, it says, change verbs to other verbs. So he reads a sentence, Alvin likes to jump in the puddles. He needs to find his umbrella first. So first thing he needs to do is find the verb. So this is good. He has to really think, what do I need to do first? Find the verbs. And then after he sees a verb, he tries to find a match to it. Alvin likes to jump in the puddles. He needs to find his umbrella first. So he listed all the verbs, and then he would change it to something like this. Alvin enjoys stomping in the puddles. He must find his umbrella first, or something like that. Or he must search for his umbrella first. Anyway, this one was a little bit tricky. Next time I would make a simpler sentence. And then he gets to put it back face up. And then he picks another one. Change nouns to pronouns. So he's learning about pronouns. So that's why I try to put everything that he knows in here as a good little language review. Since today was our language arts. Alvin helps Adina to get on Adina's raincoat and rain boots. Adina also needs to put on Adina's rain hat. It's all about Adina, his little sister. So he could say, he has to change all the nouns again to pronouns. He helps, or you could say, I help her to get on her raincoat and rain boots. She also needs to put on her rain hat, or something like that. So that was a good practice. Anyway, he goes through all his little ones. This one is change adjective to another one. So he has to find the adjectives and change it to a different adjective. Change animal nouns. So he would change it to different animals. This says, make a sentence using these words. He made up his own little story. And here it says, change to turn to a question. Anyway, so that was all a good little grammar review, and he had lots of fun doing it. And it's very simple to make. Just put your own little instructions. It's good for reading instructions and following instructions very clearly, and then you do the little game that it says to do. Have fun!